Hello everyone. Today we are presenting our project for software development for. It is a full stack marketplace application development with a focus on architecture, scalability, and teamwork. This project was developed by our squad, with each member responsible for a specific area of a system. We had a Scrum Master, a technical lead, backend developers, database model, and a KA team. This structure helped us organize the task efficiently and ensure quality across all areas of the system. Project roadmap or development was divided in three main phases. In the first phase, we focus on architecture, UI, UX, and front-end with mock data. In the second phase, we developed the API authentication with JWT and database integration. In the final phase, we concentrate on testing, bug fixing, and final delivery. This roadmap helped us keep the project organized and scheduled. One of our first major discovery was to need to centralize technology to avoid dependence on specific members. And we created the central week on data readmes, covering everything from Docker setup to MVVM architecture. This dramatically increasing autonomy and made onboard much fast. Um, our main proof of concept was the comparison between MVVM and MVC architectures. We applied MVVM on the front end to its reactivity and data building, um, modular MVC on the back end for clarity and separation of responsibility. The decision defined the entity structure of our repository and ensured low coupling between front end and back end. Another important discovery was the importance of container orchestration. We identified the manual environment setup caused many consistencies. The classic just work on my machine problem with containerization. We started the standardized environment, fast onboarding, and right reliability. The monitor our progress, we used the Scrum methodology with weekly sprints. Um, we tracked our tasks using GitLab, where every merge request was likely to an issue. This warranted transparency, complete and continuous delivery through CI/CD. Here is the roadmap for our project each week while summarizing our epic. Um, Our front-end followed the software development life cycle. In planning, we adopted the MVVM architecture with Next.js, React, and TypeScript. In designing, we created the right fidelity with wireframes and prototypes in Figma focus on able containers. In development, we built the SPA with API integration and state management using hooks and context API. In the testing phase, we performed um, manual responsive testing, exploration testing to identify usability, security, and caching issues. That's help us validate the real behavior of the system before the final delivery.
And as let's say in backend, in the phase planning, the group shows the Next.js and the TypeScript for code to ensure the scalability. On the backend, the group chooses Postgre for the database. Design and modeling, the group starting on modular architecture. This is very okay to the responsibilities by domains. The ORM in data modeling is the Prisma. The phase develop, the security be design implement W3, authentication and guaranteeing integrity, the accuracy to architecture requires. In the testing and the development, quality cycle, refactoring each we test, build pattern, and the final delivering via Docker for the organization. The environment is identical to product environment. This is the group documentation API, the dragons and the mocks. This is the for architecture on the component and catalog, component payment, page, home page, cart and the payment, chat and the user and the seller, panel admin is very important for the mocking and the designing architecture. Wireframe of Figma is other mock for the front end, creating the first modeling on the pages, on the home page, sell page, login and others. Is the diagram database. And the group create the data first, the group coding, the modeling, and the Prisma migrated to data is very important. This diagram for the C, the filtering on the dirt. Technical decision. The first in the POC MVVM on MVC backend is a hybrid architecture, and the MVVM is better for create pages. On MVC modular is better on scalability on the user solid principles on the he created the pages on the back and the logic on the back is this. And backend stacks is Next.js and the Prisma and Prostgre is very important, but TypeScript is a API framework as ORM. Next is very robust in scalability architecture on the box, and the Prisma is very stationary in the TypeScript. Authentication is a G30. Infrastructure is adopted the doc and the doc composed from containerization the environment. This elimination inconsistent on the full application, the run minus single command, and the pass and the pipelines and the security and the all program. The front end is React and the Tailwind. React design the pages, Tailwind and sorry, and the scalability in the mobile and the web and the various pattern the size. And in the last step is migrate JavaScript to React. React is better on the JavaScript pool. For example, React create a modular using detail in the author's objectives. It's very better compared to the JavaScript. Progress and the phase 1 concluded, phase 2 concluded, phase 3 addition the some testing and implementing the infra and the DevOps 2. Status 3 4 concluded. The wiki dash, the group complete all tasks is on the finalization of the parameters. Master grading integration. The group use our content on the master class, for example, layered architecture, API authentication, authorization, RESTful API fundamentals, API designing on the API first, for example, the websites, web interface, responsibility designing, user React on the Tailwind web development. TypeScript is better for the backend on the web development. Is this the group use the masterclass content? Is very important for the group. Let's go to the demo, guys. And the demo on the project. This is a Cat2 application. I can hear registry people. I accept. He created the people, you data. People can solicit use a seller. You apply to seller, but user is a common player, common user. The status and the seller is pending, but the people, but the buyer, the product, for example, buyer headset. I added the product on the cart. In the cart, I buy the product. Buy one or more. Remove the product, but I buy now. Yes, I buy. But is no the buyer is a old scope of the project. The group created only stalking the progress, iterating and all items, and the registering on liters from the buyer, but the buy in specific no is a requirement on the group. I no not have authorization to annunciation the product, but I invited solicitation. I log out and the login and the admin who accepted the solicitation. And on admin, I can hear solicitation. Oh, Eric, I need the apply seller. Oh, it's cool. I approve it and reject it. The solicitation, I approve it. Now, Eric can annotation the product. Então, I log out and login on Eric. Eric. And let's go. The product is monkey toy. I choose the image monkey toy. I copy. I add the image, the mount on the solid one stock orders. Example, I publicated the product annotate. It is on the product, on the view, the product, on the monkey. This is Cat2. And the others feature you can hear GitLab. GitLab is sending in your presentation by. And finally, this is a filter. Search the product, for example, monkey. The monkey is this. Thank you for your attention. Bye.